How to send money from ShopeePay to GCash for free. Let's start. Open your Shopee account. Then, click Me. For this tutorial, I will going to withdraw or transfer my ShopeePay balance to GCash. Click ShopeePay. Then click Send Money. In Send Money, make sure you already linked your SeaBank account because we are going to use it for this tutorial. Kung hindi pa, I provided the link below to be able to link your SeaBank account in your ShopeePay account. Assuming that you already did, click SeaBank. Then, type the amount you want to send. When done, click Next. Then click Send Money Now. If it requires you to enter your PIN, just enter your PIN to proceed with the transaction. Now, click OK. If the transaction went through, you will see that your ShopeePay balance is now deducted with the money that you sent in your SeaBank account. And in your SeaBank account, you will see that the money is already there. The transfer from ShopeePay to SeaBank is 100% free. Next, we are going to send the money to our GCash account. Click Transfer. Then click eWallet. Select GExchange, GCash. Type your GCash number. Enter your full name in GCash. When done, click Next to proceed. Type the amount that you wanted to transfer. As you can see, the transfer method is automatically set to InstaPay, meaning your transfer of money to GCash is instant or fast as is stated in the processing time, which is real time. Once you send it, your GCash account will receive it instantly. You can also see that the transfer fee is totally for free, and you can send or transfer money 15 times for free. The good thing about this is, if you consumed all 15 transfers, it resets every Monday. 15 pesos times 15 amounts for 225 pesos. Meaning, you can save up to 225 pesos weekly using this tutorial. When done, press Next. Then click Confirm. If it requires you to input your PIN, just type it. And you have successfully sent your money to GCash for free. Click Done to proceed. You will receive a confirmation regarding the successful transfer. And as you can see, the money is also inside my GCash account now. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.